Hello friends, you all are welcome to the Artisanship YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you how to remove the pimple scars correctly. Okay, let's go to the video. Right, first we have to import the picture which need for Photoshop. Yes, now watch the way I do this carefully. Then you can learn such as the Photoshop tips.
But here I go. I know it's a story, but all of me was broken with my lips closed. You were on your knees, begging me to be my hero. But can you blame me for thinking it's weird to meet you now? In a heartbeat, I shout on repeat till I'm weak now. More than anything, I need you. I need you.
Okay, now you may watch how I remove the scars of this girl's face. You also can try the way I did. To learn more Photoshop tips videos, please subscribe Artisanship YouTube channel.